How to check usage limits in Claude AI 2026 guide. Are you wondering how many messages you have left on Claude AI or trying to figure out exactly what your current plan allows? In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you exactly where to find your usage limits inside Claude AI so you always know where you stand. Welcome back, everyone. Today we're covering how to check your usage limits inside Claude AI in 2026. Whether you're on the free plan or a paid subscriber, understanding your limits helps you plan your workflow better and avoid getting cut off right in the middle of something important. Let's get straight into it. First, open your browser and go to Claude AI, sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're inside your Claude AI dashboard, you're in the right place to start checking everything related to your account usage and current plan limits. Second, click on your profile icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. A menu will appear with several account options. From there, click on Settings to open your full account settings panel where your plan and usage information is displayed. Third, inside Settings, navigate to the Billing or Plan section. Here you'll find a clear overview of which plan you're currently on, whether that's the free tier, Claude Pro, or Claude Team. Each plan has different usage limits, and this section shows you exactly what your current subscription includes. Fourth, pay close attention to the usage indicator shown inside your account. Claude displays a visual usage bar or message count indicator that shows how much of your current allowance you've used within the active billing or reset window. This gives you a real-time snapshot of where you stand right now. Fifth, if you're on the free plan and frequently hitting your limits, this settings page will also show you a clear comparison between your current plan and available upgrade options. You can see exactly how much additional usage a Pro or Team subscription would give you before making any commitment. Sixth, it's also worth knowing that Claude's usage limits reset on a rolling basis rather than at a fixed time every day. So even if you've hit your limit, waiting a few hours can restore enough of your allowance to continue working without needing to upgrade immediately. Pro tip: if you're a heavy Claude user, keep an eye on your usage mid-conversation rather than waiting until you're completely cut off. Claude will often display a soft warning inside the chat when you're approaching your limit, giving you enough notice to wrap up your current task, save your work, and plan your next session accordingly. So to recap, go to Claude AI, click your profile icon, open Settings, navigate to the Billing or Plan section, and check your usage indicator for a real-time view of your current limits. Simple, straightforward, and takes less than a minute to check anytime you need to. If this guide helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more Claude AI tips and tutorials in 2026. And drop a comment below telling me, are you on the free plan or pro, and is the usage limit working for your needs? I read every single comment. See you in the next one.